happy Friday. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Divine, but if you've been here before, then welcome back. Today is actually a very exciting day for me. I'm at home because it's Friday today, and I'm at home because I'm waiting for our couch to be delivered. It's gonna be delivered today, so I'm very excited because we've been waiting for this couch for a while. We've been in this house for almost 2 months now and we haven't had a couch. We just got lucky that this one is available to be delivered quicker than the rest. So pretty excited about that. Also, I don't normally buy coffee outside anymore, but for some reason today I was craving for this. So I went to Starbucks and I got me a green tea. Sorry for my nails, guys, because I can't get them done this week. I have to get them done next week. Anyways, so I got me this green tea latte, iced green tea latte, and I was just craving for this one. And I wanted the caramel drizzle. And yeah, and I also got, which I don't normally get, but this is the second time I've gotten it. It's a chocolate croissant from Starbucks. There's this place close to us, like about an exit away, and they sell oh look, it says cheers, it's Friday. But anyways, so there's this one close by. I want to try that one because I heard it's pretty good, and I want to support local business, or small businesses. I'll try that next time. It's just I didn't have the time to go there today. This morning I had a pretty busy morning because I met up with my co-worker because I wasn't going to be there this morning. I had to give her some stuff for work because we have one of our co-workers, also our friend, that's we're celebrating her birthday later today. So I ordered some balloons and stuff, so I met up with her to give her that. And then yeah, anyways, before I start working and stuff, I'm gonna go get ready because at least when the people come here, they don't get scared of this. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I think they're here. I can hear. Yeah, I think they're here, guys. Yeah, they're here.
Good morning.
Morning. That's a lot. The couch in a box. So I have 7 boxes because it's a 7-piece, what is that called, sectional. And I thought I paid for the setup, but I guess I didn't because they didn't offer it. So I don't know how I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna see if I can set it up myself. If not, then I think Gressel and Job might help me out. Let's see. And I'm gonna finish doing my makeup because I only have a little bit left. I'm almost done. I haven't worn lashes like this in such a long time, and yeah, I'm gonna go try to set up some stuff, and I will check back in later, guys. As you guys can tell by the box, it is from Article, and this is called Beta Quartz Modular Sectional. We wanted to get a modular sectional so we can customize it the way we wanted to. And of course, we had to get it in white. The inspiration for this couch is the Cloud Couch from Restoration Hardware. But as you all know, that is very expensive. We look pretty much everywhere, but for the quality, look, and price point, this one worked for us the best. This is one of the couches that we found that wasn't going to take 6 months to a year to get delivered. Everything is back ordered due to COVID. And let's talk about prices. I ordered the left modular sectional, which comes with 4 seats, one of them being an ottoman, which equals to $3,000. I ordered an extra ottoman for $550 and 2 armless chair for $1,600. Comes with free delivery, but they do not offer the free setup because of COVID. It may sound a lot, but for the size, the type of this couch, it is very reasonable. I will be doing an in-depth review of this couch sometime soon. So guys, I am finally done setting it up. I have another box of ottoman that I haven't opened up, but I was talking to Ricky earlier and he said that maybe we won't need it because of how it looks like, and we have our other swivel chair over here, so we might return that. And I guess, guys, I also made a mistake that I ordered two of the armless chair. So basically I got, well, this one, it comes with it, and then there's another one that basically I ordered separately just so that to make this seating longer, and I ordered 2 of those. I was wondering why I had, like, our bill was so high, so now I know why. So, well, hold on. I will be returning 2 of, sorry if my lipstick looks so crazy, I just ate, but if that's driving you crazy, I apologize. It's okay. I was trying out this lipstick, but I don't know if it's like really working out. Look at that. It's a mess. Anyways, guys, so I'll be returning 2 of the boxes with the stuff inside because I don't think we're gonna be needing it. Let me show you guys the couch. It's very comfortable. It's actually very comfortable. Okay, you guys can't really see it well because of the light. So guys, this is how the couch looks like. So as you can tell, we have 2 in the middle and then 1 on each side, and then the ottoman. Our plan was to make it like a U shape and put another ottoman right here, but I don't think we're gonna need it. I really think that we're not gonna need it because we have this swivel chair right here that we're probably gonna be putting right there. So I think we're gonna be returning the other one. What do you guys think? And if I put another one right there, it's going to crowd up the space. So I think this is enough seating. If ever we need it, we have this one as well. And yeah, that's that. I just need to get a rug because I've tried to look for a rug, but I can't find one. Anyways, guys, I am so tired. I can't believe that I actually set this up by myself because I was actually doubting myself earlier about setting it up because it might be too heavy, and I might have to do a lot of like lifting and stuff like that, and I didn't want to do that while I'm pregnant. So I'm just trying to play it safe, guys. But it was a lot lighter than I thought, so it actually worked out. So I will probably be doing a review on this couch if you guys want to. The setup was not bad. I think I do have clips for you guys to see. It wasn't that bad. We'll see if I had a decent clip because I wasn't really looking at it. And halfway through, I was watching Godzilla versus Kong. Have you guys seen it? It's actually pretty good. I missed a couple scenes just because I was distracted with the couch, but I might have to rewatch it again. But overall, I like the movie. I hope you guys did too, because I don't know. Anyways, I will be checking back in a little bit. because I have a very busy day today. I still have to work and still debating if I could go to work for the birthday because I have other things to do. So, all right, guys.